is a public pier here, docks in Dorset, Lake of Bays. There's some pretty fancy boats coming in. Wind has really picked up. Boat coming in. An old wooden boat. Look at that, eh? Isn't that beautiful? The scat. Fishing boats. And right across, usually the Heritage Lake Steamer is docked there. It's out obviously now called the SS Algonquin. Walk down here. There's a fishing boat here. Lots of boats here. I love this wooden boat here. Walk by this guy here. And this is a ice cream store. Oh. Little, So there's a really lovely, it's an Irish pub up in here, and there's boat parking for the grocery store, general store up in here, Robinson General Store. I'll show you in a second. Look at the boats. This guy's just coming in here to dock. Don't want to scratch that boat up. It's a nice boat. Hey, I'll walk up this way, and I'm going to show you something that's the big attraction here in Dorset, Ontario, which is, you'll see it in a minute, it's Robinson General Store. It's a gift shop on the second floor, and according to legend, it's voted the best country store in Canada. Robinson General Store. There's a food land inside. You can get everything from fishing lures to, I don't know, art in there. And there's also a home hardware inside. And then across the way is the LCBO. And this sign is new. See, welcome to Dorset, a place for all seasons. And look at these cute wooden bears. Anyhow, that is Dorset. And there's the bridge right there. There you have it.